What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another edition of Smash Cut Media, where I cover all things how to YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to cover a topic that a lot of people have been asking about, and that is, how long does it take to get monetized? Well, it really depends on you. It depends on your content, how many videos you have, and how much experience you have on YouTube. That sounds pretty obvious, right? It depends on you. If I were to give you a rough estimate, it's gonna take around a year to get monetized. Now, I do have a channel that got monetized in about 3 months, and that was kind of surprising to me because before that time, it would take me around 6 to 8 months to get monetized on YouTube. My first channel took me about, I wanna say 14 months to get monetized. As of right now, I have 5 channels monetized. I'm gonna have 1 channel monetized within the next week or so, and then I have 1 more channel that's gonna be monetized, I wanna say around 2 to 3 months time. So as I get more experience with YouTube, depending on the channel, it takes a lot less time to get monetized because there are certain things that I know to do once I start a new channel. I know it's hard to hear that it might take you a year or more to get monetized on YouTube. So you gotta ask yourself, is it worth it to you? Can you put the time in to get rewarded on the back end? So what are a few things that you can do to get monetized faster? Well, the first thing is find a niche and stick with that niche. If you have a few different things you like doing, make multiple channels. Don't put everything on one channel. If you narrow it down to a niche, that's gonna be a lot better for you because YouTube is gonna know where to put you. YouTube is gonna know how to promote you a little bit more. So if somebody's looking for a review on a restaurant or something, right? And you have a review channel, YouTube might throw you out there. So if you have reviews and then you're fixing cars and stuff like that, YouTube is gonna be like, wait, is this video for that? And it's really not gonna know where to place you. So if you do have a niche, that's gonna be better. So besides having a niche, what you're gonna wanna do is be consistent. Upload at least twice a week, if not more. But don't upload once a month and wonder why you're not getting any traction on YouTube. You're gonna wanna be consistent. If you can't upload twice a week, try for once a week and just start from there, start snowballing it. So what I do is I'll take 1 week out of the month and I do nothing but record. And the rest of the month, I do nothing but edit. So that whole week, I may get to make like 20 or 30 different videos. And why am I making so many videos? Because I have a ton of different channels. I have about 15 different channels. Another thing is know where to spend your money. So if you're recording on your iPhone or just some cheap little camera that you have, that's fine. You start making videos, you don't have to really spend a lot of money. Know where to place your money. You're not gonna place your money in advertising right off the bat because you're still figuring out hit and miss what's gonna work for you, what's your lane. And then from there, all right, this is working a little bit. You know what? I think I might need a better camera. You upgrade your equipment. Once your videos start coming out a little bit better, it's gonna give you more views and you start that grassroots, right? You definitely don't want to jump the gun and spend money on advertising when it's not necessary. You're not ready for it. But what I notice a lot of people doing is they'll have low quality videos and they'll try to promote their videos on Sprizzy or V-Rocket or something like that. So they're gonna be spending hundreds of dollars in promoting low quality videos, and you don't wanna do that. You might be thinking this is gonna be a shortcut, this is gonna be an investment to getting more subs, to getting more views, my watch hours, all that. I can be monetized in no time and I'll make my money back. But think about it, how many low quality videos do you watch? The same thing with some of the videos that I do have right now, some of the channels I have right now, they're not ready, and I know they're not ready. But like I said, I'm incubating them. I'm getting them to a point to where they are ready to be monetized. All right, so you got your niche, you're consistently uploading, you're not spending your budget on the wrong things. The last tip I wanna leave you with is gonna be content quality. Now, I'm not talking about fancy cameras or anything like that. What I'm talking about is your content any good? Now, if you watch one of your first videos or one of your older videos, is that something that you can actually watch and enjoy? Or is it something you're just putting out because you want to be on YouTube? Think about it. Is it something that you would watch? So I hear people saying, oh man, I can't watch myself. So if you can't watch yourself, do you think anybody else is gonna wanna watch you? Think about that. Make sure that you do have good quality content, something that's gonna bring your viewer value, whether it be entertainment value, education value, information value. Why are they gonna watch your channel? And also make sure you have good aesthetics. Sometimes you can get away with a bad content video if you have good aesthetics. So you don't need to have a $1,000 camera. I spent my first year recording on my iPhone, which is fine, but just put in the effort to make sure that you have decent lighting. You don't even need to spend a ton of money on lighting. Just get a few desk lamps, put an ultra wide bulb in there, and get a little lapel mic like this right here. You don't want to use a mic from your cell phone because no matter what you do, no matter how close you are, it's going to sound blown up and distorted. These mics make a world of difference. Trust me, get one. And if you don't know where to get one, I have a link in the description where to get it from Amazon. So these are just a few tips that are going to help you get monetized faster on YouTube. I do have other tips and tricks on my channel, so if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And I want to thank everybody who's subscribed to the channel so far. We've been growing pretty steadily over the past few months, and I really appreciate all the support. So thanks for watching. There's more to come, and check you on the next one.